This 4-inch electric pipe threader from Klutch delivers clean, accurate NPT threads in pipe from 1/2 inch to 4 inches. The rugged and quiet 900-watt motor effortlessly threads pipe at 32 RPM for 1/2 inch to 2 inch sizes and 12 RPM for 2.5 inch to 4 inch sizes. It's capable of threading Schedule 80 pipe. It includes 3 sets of HSS dies designed for use on pipes from 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch, 1 inch to 2 inches, and 2.5 inches to 4 inches. It has an aluminum alloy body construction for lightweight strength, with an 8-foot-long plug for extended reach. Plus, the support carriage has 2 wheels for easy portability. Get clean, accurate NPT threads with this 4-inch electric pipe threader from Klutch.